So, very good morning, everyone. Quickly take out everyone exercise number 7. And first of all, I would like to know if anyone having any doubts in the previous chapter, exercise number 6, related to the rounding numbers. तो rounding numbers में से अगर किसी को कुछ problem हो, just you can ask. After then, further we will move to the next exercise, that is exercise number 8. Okay. So, exercise number 8, which is fractions and decimals. Okay. Fractions and decimals. Fractions and decimals. Okay. So, the first question which we have is here, select the fractions which does not belong to the group. So you have to check all the fractional number which it is given, and you have to select any particular fractional number which is not belonging to this this group. So the numbers which it is given are 1 by 2, then 2 by 4, then 3 by 4 and 6 by 12. So among these number, any one particular number will be there which is not belong to this group. So you have to check it out which is the number which is not belonging to this group. So you can check it out. If you are multiplying 2 in both the side, okay, then equivalent fractions will be 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. If you are multiplying 3 in both the side, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. Okay, so this should be 6. यहाँ पे 4 है. चलिए 3 में नहीं हुआ, 4 में नहीं हुआ, 5 में नहीं हुआ, 6 में जाते हैं. So if you are multiplying 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. This is correct. So this is correct. This is correct. This is not belonging to this group. Why? Because we are not getting the denominator even after multiplying the numerator with 3. So this will be the required answer which is not belong to this group. हाँ, answer is 3 by 4. Very good. So 3 by 4 कैसे हुआ ये समझना जरूरी है कि आप अगर 2 मल्टीप्लाई करते हो न्यूमरेटर में 2 will come, डिनोमिनेटर में भी 2 मल्टीप्लाई करते हो 4 will come. If you are multiplying 6 in the numerator, 6 will come, and 6 in the denominator also, 6 to 12 will come. But if you are multiplying 3 both the side, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. So 6 is not here because this is 4. So this number is not belong to this group. Okay. Now moving to the next question, wherein the numbers are 2 by 3, then 4 by 6, then 6 by 9 and 11 by 12. So these are the series of number. Now you have to check it out among this which is the number which is not belong to this group. Okay. So if you are multiplying 2 both the side, 2 2 are 4, 3 2 are 6. So we are getting. If you are multiplying 3 both the side, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. We are getting. So this one and this one is belonging. So now if you are multiplying 11 or something, we cannot get 11 even after multiplying any number with 2. Okay. And if even we are getting, but we will not get this number. So 11 by 12 is not belonging to this group. So 11 by 12 will be the required answer which is not belonging to this group. Okay. Yes, 11 by 12 is correct answer. So understanding everyone how it can write down the equivalent fraction, that you need to first understand. इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस कैसे निकालते हैं? मान लीजिए 2 by 3 का हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस लिखना है, तो कैसे लिखते हैं कि हम लोग जस्ट इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इसको भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. वी यूज्ड टू गेट 2 2 are 4 divided by 2 3 are 6. In the same way, if we want to get any more, then we will multiply by 2 by 3 is there, so we will multiply by 3 both the side here also. So 3 2 are 6, then 3 3 are 9. So 6 by 9. Again we want to get any more, then we will multiply 4 in the both side, 5 in the both side, and so on. Okay. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. So here the further which we have is, let us moving to the next question. Okay, can everyone able to hear my voice? आवाज आ रही है मेरा? Everyone getting my voice? मेरा आवाज आ रही है सभी को? अभिनव, अभिषेक, आदित्य, अंकित, अनुराज, दिव्यांशी, दृष्टि, हर्षराज, पीहू, प्रियांशु, पुनीत, राजलक्ष्मी, तृप्ति, दिव्यांशी वर्मा, आर यू ऑल गेटिंग माई वॉइस? मेरा आवाज आ रही है सभी को? Tell to the class teacher to check it out in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so further what we have is question number 2. What question number 2 is asking? Okay, very good. Question number 2 is asking, fill in the boxes to make the statement true. So you have to make the statement true by filling the boxes. So 2 divided by 3 is here. Okay, 2 divided by 3, you have to fill this. And you have to check it out which number will be here. So here very simply you have to check with how much number we will multiply 3 so that the answer will 9. 3 को कितना से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर 9 आता है, तो 3 टाइम्स से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आता है 9. ठीक है, तो in the same way we will multiply 2 also with 3. So 2 3 are 6. Very good. Whoever answer is 6 is absolutely correct answer. जिसका भी 6 आंसर है वो बिल्कुल सही जवाब है. ठीक है, इसी तरह से एक क्वेश्चन अगर हम और देते हैं या बुक्स में जो है उसी को लिया जाए. सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हिच वी हैव इज, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन वी हैव इज 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is equal to dash divided by 81. Dash divided by 81. So 9 times how much is equal to 81? That first you have to check it out. So how many times 9 is equal to 81? 9 times 9 is equal to 81. So 9, even if you are multiplying 9 with the 9, then you have to multiply 7 also by 9. Okay, so 7 9 are 63. 63. Exactly. Whoever answer is 63 is absolutely correct answer. Why? Because if you are multiplying 9 into 9, it is 81. If you are multiplying 7 also with 9, then 7 9 are 63. This is how. Moving further to the third question. Third question which it is 3 divided by 4 is equal to 27 divided by how much? So 3 divided by 4 is equal to 27 divided by how much? So 3 divided by 4 is equal to 27 divided by how much? So here till this second question we have checked in the denominator. Now you have to check in the numerator with how much you have to multiply 3 so that you will get the answer 27. So we know 3 9 are 27. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so that means you have to multiply 4 also by 9. Okay, so 4 9 are 36. So 36 will be the answer here. Yes, exactly. Very good. So whoever answer is coming 36 is absolutely correct answer, and this is the way, this is the process which we used to do. It should not be directly write the answer by memorizing or like this. So you have to do with the steps. You have to write this process how it is coming. Okay. So with this only teacher you should get to know who is doing with explanation and who is just doing from somewhere else. Okay. So question number 2 understood everyone. Can we move to the further question? Question number 3 आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. ये समझ में आ गया सभी को? सभी ने नोट कर लिया अपना क्लास वर्क कॉपी में? क्लास वर्क में हम नोट नहीं करते हैं, कुछ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स, जो कि गलत है. सभी नोट करेंगे. एवरीवन विल नोट इट डाउन इन द क्लास वर्क कॉपी. Okay. Okay, very good. Only very less response I am getting. So whoever want to write anything, who are not understanding anything, just write in message. You can write in message the question number that this question number I have not understood and all. If you are not understanding anything, okay. Moving further to the third question. Moving further to the third question. Third question is asking, you have to check it out which is less and which is greater, okay? Which is less and which is greater, that means which is greater or which is less. So here you have to check it out. This is the greater sign if the number is in this side, and you have to use the less than signs or this for the to make the statement true. So here question are given like this. So let us see. First is 2 by 3. Sorry, first is 7 by 11 and 5 by 11. So यहाँ पे बताएं सभी कौन सा नंबर बड़ा होगा और कौन सा नंबर छोटा होगा, या which symbols you will use. So quickly tell me everyone which symbol we will use here. जल्दी से बताएं. 7 by 11. 7 by 11. I am getting answer from maximum students as like 7 by 11. So quickly, rest of all the students quickly tell me what will be the answer according to you. Yes, exactly. So whoever answer is 7 by 11, whoever answer is 7 by 11 is absolutely correct answer, right? Because whenever the denominator are same, जब भी denominator same होता है तो जिसका भी न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है दैट नंबर इज द ग्रेटर नंबर. तो यहां पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो सेम है. तो इन दिस केस द नंबर विद द ग्रेटर न्यूमरेटर विल बी द ग्रेटर नंबर. तो वैसा फ्रैक्शन जिसका न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है दैट विल बी द ग्रेटर नंबर. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हिच वी हैव टू कंपेयर इज numerator are same. So what will happen if in case of numerator are same? Here the number is 11 by 16, 11 by 16 and 11 by 7. So which number you think is the greater here? यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर है जो बड़ा होगा? 11 by 16. 11 by 16 is not correct answer because 11 by 16 is the smaller number. Why? Because so here this is the smaller number, 11 by 7 is the greater number. Because in case of numerator equal, दोनों जब numerator equal होता है तो जिसका denominator छोटा होता है वो बड़ा नंबर होता है, that is the greatest number. So here you can see the numerator are same. So whoever numerator is smaller that will be the greater number, and whoever denominator is greater that will be the smaller number. So here 11 by 7 will be the greater number. Okay, so यहाँ पे 11 by 7 जो है वो बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा. मैं चेक कर पा रहा हूँ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने सारा क्वेश्चंस भी बना लिया, बहुत बढ़िया. ठीक है, आगे हम लोग अगर बढ़ते हैं फर्दर टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन विच वी हैव. तीसरा क्वेश्चन जो है हम लोग का, तीसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि 7 by 15. अब यहाँ पे तीसरा टाइप्स का क्वेश्चन ये भी हो सकता है 7 by 15 एंड 8 by 15. तो ये तो बहुत इजी है क्योंकि दोनों डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो वेरी इजीली आप इसको बता सकते हो. विच वन इज ग्रेटर? टेल मी इन दिस, विच वन इज ग्रेटर, 7 by 15 और 8 by 15? 8 by 15, exactly. 8 by 15 will be the greater number. Very good. So 8 by 15 will be the greater number. Okay, so this type of in comparison maximum students used to get confused here only. जब numerator same होता है उसमें जिसका डिनोमिनेटर ज्यादा होता है उसको ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट जो है बड़ा समझते हैं, जो कि है नहीं। अगर न्यूमरेटर सेम है तो जिसका डिनोमिनेटर कम है दैट विल बी द ग्रेटर नंबर, दिस यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड। ओके, चलिए बहुत बढ़िया, हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। कंपैरिजन समझ में आ गया। Fill in the boxes to make the following statement true. So here you have to again fill in the boxes to make the statement true. So that means you have to just solve it out. इसको solve भी करना है simply. So question number 4 is all about addition. So 1 by 11 plus 9 by 11. भले ही this question is related to the fill in the blanks, but still you have to do the step. आपको ये स्टेप वाइज करना है। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर आर इक्वल, सो सिंपली वी विल ऐड द न्यूमरेटर। तो न्यूमरेटर को अगर ऐड करोगे 9 + 1 is 10, so 10 by 11 it will be the answer. Okay, so now further which we have is the subtraction. So second question which we have is related to subtraction. So subtraction what we have is 21 divided by 24 minus 11 divided by 24. So here also denominator are same, so numerator will be subtracted. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 1, 10, so 10 divided by 24. So this will be 10 divided by 24. Further moving to the third question. Third question which we have is, here we have 3 number, 3 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 7. So you have to just check it out, the total sum dash divided by 7. So here just you need to keep in mind here 3 operations are here. First, subtraction is also there and addition is also there. So we will learn in our further classes about the BODMAS rule. So according to BODMAS rule, in this case you have to first add and then subtract. Okay, so here the addition will be like this with the same sign. तो यहाँ पे same sign मतलब यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब प्लस है 3, तो प्लस 3 and plus 1, so plus 4. Plus 4 minus 2 will be 2 now. Okay, plus 4 minus 2 will be 2, then that is it will be 2 by 7. ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है कि this is nothing in sign is there, that means plus, and this plus 1. So plus 3 and plus 1 is plus 4 and minus 2 is this. So plus 4 minus 2 is plus 2. Okay, so this is the 2 by 7. These are all related, this type of questions we will further learn in our next class, but because these are the advanced mathematics, miscellaneous exercise or mental mathematics questions, that is why it is given. So for your understanding, just you should know this. Okay. Further we can move to the next question, which is question number 4. Everyone understanding all the things? सभी को समझ में आ रही है ना? What? No? Okay, knowing. So, okay, very nice. किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो प्लीज बताएंगे, समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो तो बताएंगे, राइट लिखेंगे मैसेज में कि सर आई हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड लाइक दिस। ओके, और कोई क्वेश्चन अगर है जो नहीं बन रहा है फ्रॉम दिस एक्सरसाइज, सो आल्सो यू कैन टेल। सो फर्दर मूविंग टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, दिस इज 1 by 9 of 81. So 1 by 9 of 81, of means multiply only, right? So 1 by 9 multiply 81. तो जब भी इस तरह से मल्टीप्लीकेशन रहता है तो ये न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है, और डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ नहीं है, मतलब 1 है तो डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है। ठीक है, तो ये हो जाता है 81 डिवाइडेड बाय 9। तो इसको जब डिवाइड करते हो 9 9 और 81, सो 9 विल बी द आंसर। ओके, या तो सिंपली कोई यहाँ पे भी कैंसिल आउट कर देते हैं 9 9 और 81 करके, एंड दिस इज हाउ द आंसर इज 9। ठीक है, तो ये समझने का कोशिश करिए कि जब भी इस तरह से 1 by 9 of 81 रहता है, इसका मतलब दिस मच डिवाइडेड बाय 9। ओके अगर 1/5 ऑफ 80 रहता है या 100 रहता है तो 100 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, तो यहां पे 1 जितना भी रहता है ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर नंबर that will be divided by this number. Okay, so this is how it will be 9. Further we have 1/4 of 24. इसको बताइए कितना होगा? 1/4 of 24. That means 24 divided by 4. इसको 4 से डिवाइड करके बताइए कितना होगा? How many times 4 is equal to 24? कितना टाइम्स में 24 होता है? How many times 4 is equal to 24? Quickly tell. How many times 4 is equal to 24? Very good. Yes, very good. Whoever answer is 6 is absolutely correct answer. So this will be 6. Okay. So simply whatever the number will be here, that number you just divide by this number. Okay. So this is what all about the fractions and decimal. Okay. And this type of more questions, some more questions are there. Those all questions you can very easily solve because the fractions are denominators are equal. So denominators अगर equal रहता है तो बहुत easily just आपको numerator को add या subtract करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो हम लोग इसमें देखेंगे किस तरह का questions रहता है. Okay, so the types of questions which we have is suppose sixth one, that is 81 divided by 8 minus 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 8. ओके, तो ये एक क्वेश्चन है जैसे शो हाउ इट विल बी. सो 81 माइनस 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 8, तो ये हम लोग का 81 माइनस 10 मतलब 71 हो जाएगा. तो 71 डिवाइडेड बाई 8. ठीक है. इन द सेम वे फर्दर वी हैव इन 7 नंबर 14 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 प्लस 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 5. So 14 plus 16 you have to do, divided by 5 is in both the denominator. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 2, 1 plus 1 is 3, 30 by 5. Okay? Understood? Further we will move. Okay, so further the next one which we have is question number 8. That is 34 divided by 3, 34 divided by 3 plus 7 divided by 3. So 34 plus 7 is 41, right? So 41 divided by 3. So this will be 41 divided by 3. This is how you can do the questions related to the fractional number. Some more questions are there. So those all questions we will discuss in our next class. For today this much only. If anyone having any doubts till now, you can ask very easily. We will discuss further. किसी को यहां तक कुछ डाउट है तो पूछें. Abhinav, what happens? Exercise 4 question number 5. Exercise 4 question number 5. Mental mathematics you are talking about. Abhinav. So very easy, see. Exercise 4, question number 5. This is called the division fact. Division fact किसको बोलते हैं पहले समझने का कोशिश करिए कि मान लीजिए एक नंबर है 4 multiply 3. So 4 multiply 3 is equal to how much? 12. हम लोग को पता है. ठीक है, तो 4 multiply 3 is equal to अगर 12 होता है तो 12 divided by 3 will be 4 and 12 divided by 4 will be 3. So 12 divided by 3 will be 4 and 12 divided by 4 will be 3. So these two are called division fact of this one. Okay, so in the same way, here it is given 42 multiply 84. 42 multiply 84 is equal to 35364. 35364. This is the number given. So what will happen like this? इसी तरह से अगर हम लोग सॉल्व करें तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा, किस तरह से होगा? इसका डिवीजन फैक्ट निकालना हो तो if you divide this by this, the answer will be this. If you divide this by this, answer will be this. Okay, so here the question is it is dividing by 84, so this divided by this, so this will give the result. ये रिजल्ट हो जाएगा. डायरेक्टली आपको लिखना है, आपको डिवीजन नहीं करना है. ठीक है, तो यहां पे द आंसर विल बी 35364 डिवाइडेड बाय 84 विल बी 42. और अगर पूछता है 35364 डिवाइडेड बाय 42, then answer will be 84. So these two are the division fact. Understood? अभिनव, समझ में आया? Abhinav, quickly response. Okay then, very good. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a good time.